you might wonder that how this scientific method is going to help us understand the frame of reference. So if you look at the step 2 of our scientific method, where we did a controlled experiment and did all kind of measurements of distance and time. So all these measurements are possible only in frame of reference. Generally speaking, frame of reference is a three-dimensional coordinate system with the clock placed in that system. Where we have three sets of axes, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Each axis represents one dimension, that is one direction. All these three axes are mutually perpendicular and they all meet at a point O that we call origin and has coordinates of 0, 0, 0. This is like a box which is there. So using this three-dimensional coordinate system, here this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis and this is the z-axis, which is shown here, but this z-axis is directly coming towards you. We can locate any point inside this box with this three-dimensional coordinate system with its coordinates. So here this corner which is there, this is the origin, and with respect to this origin we measure the coordinates of all the points. So once we place a clock in this system, together this makes our frame of reference. And the hypothetical example that we have taken previously of mouse and cheese is a special case in this. Here we dealt the motion along one direction only, that is one dimension, and here we can say that it is along the x-axis only. So to locate any point inside this three-dimensional coordinate system, suppose the mouse is kept at this corner, it moves a distance of 2 meters along the x-axis. So here the coordinates will be 2, 0, 0. Now it moves along the y-axis 3 meters. So the coordinate will be 2, 3, 0. Similarly, it can move toward the z-axis and correspondingly the coordinate will change. So with this three-dimensional coordinate system, you will get the displacement or the distances traveled. But we know that in our motion in one dimension, we need time as well. We need to calculate velocity, acceleration and other physical quantities as well. So here we don't have any arrangement of noting the time. So what we do, we place a clock in this system. So all the movements along with this time, we can find out any of the physical quantities.